Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a quick fix pasta recipe perfect for lunch or dinner. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have my pot here. I'm going to fire up my stove. Then I'm going to go in with some water. And then I'm going to go in with some salt and a dash of oil. And then I'll bring it to boil. I have my pasta here ready. And then I'll cook it in accordance to the packet instructions. Here it says 6 to 10 minutes. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Then on medium heat, I'll let it cook. Okay, so it's been a while. My pasta is just ready. I'm going to go ahead and drain the water in it. So moving on, I have my pan here. I'm going to give it a wipe. Fire up my stove. And then I'm going to go in with my oil. Medium sized crushed clove of garlic. Yeah. I used my usual tool over here to crush it. You can use ginger and garlic paste. And I'm going to go in with my onion. I have some green onions here that I chopped, and then I have half a piece of red onion here. I'm going to fry my mixture here to golden brown. My onions are ready. I'm now going to go in with my ground beef. And I'm going to saute it until it's I'm now going to go in with 1.5 medium size chopped tomato. I will take more. And I'm going to go in with a little salt to soften my tomatoes. I'm going to go in with some paprika. Half a tablespoon to give it a popping color. And then I have my black pepper here. I'm going to go in with a 1/4 tablespoon to give it a little heat. I'll mix this up and then I'll cover it so the tomatoes can soften. I'm going to use my spoon here to mix this up to make sure that all the tomatoes are softened. I'm now going to go in with my pasta. As you can see, I'm using a fork to mix this up so I don't break the pasta. I have another pasta tutorial on my channel. Check it out. I know you're going to love it. Super simple and easy and perfect for ordinary family. Perfect for lunch, for dinner. Yeah. Right here I have my tiny pot. I'm going to go in with some oil, just a little oil. I'm now going to go in with my green. And then I'm going to go in with my cabbage. And then I'm going to cook for a few minutes. my cabbage is just ready. So here we go, our dinner is just ready. It's super simple and very easy, just like that. Yeah, I think the best side dish will be a vegetable. Let's just go ahead and serve this. Our dinner is just ready. Looking healthy, delicious and yummy. And now let's get to my favorite part, the taste test. Really good. The salt is okay. The seasoning is fine. I hope you like today's quick fix recipe that you can have for lunch or for dinner. Kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on my channel. I have a bunch of dinner recipes on my channel that are perfect for dinner families. You can try all of them. Yeah. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.